Jamaica College is represented this evening by team captain Jaheem Khoury, Jamarli Banton, Mason J. Edwards, and Marvin White. While Munro College is represented by Tejon Hall, Kishnan Bennett, Jamoy Pitter, and team captain Donald Robinson. Only one of these teams will move on to the quarterfinals. Hello, everyone. Not yet time for the buzzers. Welcome to the fourth match here in round 3 of TVJ's Schools Challenge Quiz. I'm Jean-Paul Menu. It all comes down to this. High schools from across Jamaica have entered the challenge, but do they have the skill, the knowledge, and the temperament to move on to the next round? Let's get into the action. It's time for the opening challenge. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier we had the toss. Jamaica College won and decided to send Munro in to bat first. So we begin with Munro College. The section lasts for 4 minutes. May I have the time on the clock, please? We have it. So we'll begin Munro with English language. What is the past participle of the word blow?
Blown. Blown.
Correct. Jamaica College English language. What is the simple past tense of the word draw?
Drawn.
No, drew. International affairs of visual 1. Munro, look at the monitor. Identify which country's flag is displayed.
Wait, DR Congo. Democratic Republic of the Congo.
That's correct. International affairs for Jamaica. Look at the monitor. Jamaica College, Jamaica. Look at the monitor. Identify which country's flag is displayed now.
Thailand.
Correct. Chemistry, Munro. Does the electrostatic potential energy of a system of 2 charges increase, decrease, or remain the same as the distance between them increases?
Increase. Got them proportional, don't it?
Decrease.
No, it increases. Chemistry for Jamaica College. What is the simplest of all atoms containing a single proton and a single electron?
Hydrogen atom.
That's correct. Music and audio for Munro College. Listen to the following clip. Identify this artist.
Billie Eilish.
When the party's over, correct. Music for JC. Listen to the following clip. Identify this singer.
Singer.
Didn't love when you had me, but now you need me so badly. You can't be serious.
Charlie Booth.
That's correct. That's hilarious. History, Munro College. In what year did the Battle of Gettysburg occur?
Battle of Gettysburg.
63.
Wait, 1860.
Or 65. Yeah, man, you have this, man. Come.
1863.
1863.
Correct. History for JC. Which U.S. president gave a speech known as the Gettysburg Address?
Abraham Lincoln. Abraham Lincoln.
Good. Theatre and cinema, a visual 1 for Munro College. Look at the monitor. Identify this actress, please.
Abby Elliott.
No, Bridget Mendler, Theatre and Cinema JC. Look at the monitor. Identify this actress, please.
Bella Williams.
No, Mia Tallarico. Mathematics for Munro. What is the highest common factor of 23, 52, and 130?
130.
23.
Common factor. So, if you add it,
23.
No, it's 1. Mathematics JC. What is the highest common factor of 136, 170, and 255?
3.
17. Sport of visual for Munro. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Wait. Larry Gomes. Larry Gomes.
Former West Indies cricketer. Correct. Sport for JC. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Clive Williams.
No, Richie Richardson, also a former West Indies cricketer. Spanish from Munro. What item in a classroom is el escritorio?
The desk.
Correct. Spanish JC. What item in a classroom is la tiza?
The chalk.
That's right. Bible knowledge Munro. In which book of the Bible's New Testament is a woman named Eodia mentioned?
New Testament. Corinthians and the New Testament?
Yeah, Corinthians. First Corinthians.
No, Philippians. Bible knowledge JC. In which book of the Bible's New Testament is a woman named Damaris mentioned?
New Testament. Galatians.
Acts of the Apostles. Geography. Munro. Which country lies south of Cuba and west of Haiti?
Jamaica.
That's right. Geography. JZ. Which country shares maritime boundaries with Barbados to the east and Grenada to the northwest?
St. Vincent and the Grenadines.
St. Vincent and Grenadines.
Trinidad and Tobago. And that's the bell. That's the end of the opening challenge for this evening. Scores look to be Jamaica College on 5 points, Munro College just ahead on 7. When we come back, it'll be time for the speed challenge. Don't go anywhere. School's Challenge Quiz returns right after these messages.